seamless integration by implementing EDI and API. It is increasingly becoming evident that different business activities, such as logistics and financial transactions, are moving to electronic channels. There are several advantages of this, including process automation as well as enhancement. Since 1970, many companies have been taking advantage of electronic data exchange technology to improve the operation of their businesses. As the years have progressed and technology improved, there have been an increase in the number of ways through which electronic businesses communication is being carried out. E-commerce is the common terminology used, which comprises different types of electronic interactions done via computer machines. It basically involves communication technologies such as B2B integration, API integration, EDI, among others. Although these technologies appear closely related, they are not the same as some people believe. There are basically two types of e-commerce, i.e. business-to-business, B2B, and business-to-consumer, B2C. B2B refers to a relationship between two businesses, regardless of whether it is a collaboration, provision of services, selling, or data exchange. In a nutshell, B2B organizations focus on selling products to other organizations or businesses rather than consumers. This type of business, electronic business communication, is highly interdependent. It doesn't matter the type of business model a company is using. Both B2B and B2C work hand in hand with each other, bringing together several suppliers, partners, and software providers. B2C is a form of paperless trading where organizations or companies sell or provide products and services directly to the end consumer. It is the most commonly used form of electronic trading that has existed for several years. EDI marked the commencement of e-commerce. It has been the backbone for system-to-system sharing and transmission of data between shippers, 3PLs, and carriers for over 30 years now. Despite the fact that it has a few shortcomings here and there, EDI remains relevant and strong in the industry. EDI generally provides language and structure that enables the exchange of documents such as orders, shipping requests, invoices, among other electronic files. Despite the fact that it is a relatively new technology, API affects us in various ways. APIs are generally designed to offer seamless connections between different computer programs. API is in most cases used by organizations or companies as a part of software applied in publishing, such as a way that other applications can easily be integrated and retrieve information for their own databases. One important thing about API integration is that it makes it easy to automatically move data from different applications in real time. As long as the systems are connected to each other, there is no point to write message requests manually and wait for the answer before received data into the system. All this, plus other functions, can be easily and automatically done by the application. As much as EDI is still being used in most organizations, API has proved to offer a big competitive advantage over it. Many companies seem to prefer using EDI because of its automation features as well as the ability to carry out tasks much faster compared to other applications. Those people who have run any B2B software systems understand the advantages and disadvantages of both EDI and API technologies. Visit Amasoft.com to learn more about this and all of our EDI services.